I am going to ask some basic questions on India. Okay? Which is our national animal?
Tiger.
Which is our national flower?
Lotus.
Yeah. Which is our national vegetable?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Okay. Which is our national flag?
In
Try.
tricolor.
Tricolor. Which is our national fruit? Fruit.
Mango.
Mango. Which is the spice garden of India?
Kerala.
Kerala. Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi. Who is the President of India?
Draupadi Murmu.
Draupadi Murmu.
Draupadi
Murmu. Who is the father of our nation?
Mahatma
Mahatma
Gandhi.
Gandhi. How many lions are there in the national emblem of India?
4.
4. Which is the national dance of India?
Bharatanatyam.
Bharatanatyam. Which is the national river of India?
Ganga.
Yeah.